This is what your Toyota and Lexus 2GR engine looks like. After it has been removed from the car, the valve cover and the timing cover has been opened. This particular engine was moved from a Toyota Highlander 2009, which was involved in an accident. It came with a broken timing chain and a broken timing cover. For this particular video, I'll be showing you the brand new timing cover we got for this particular engine. I often advise car users that are using this particular engine not to get a foreign use timing cover whenever you want to change the timing cover of this particular engine, because most time those timing cover used to come with a very weak oil pump. So for this particular car, we went ahead to get a brand new timing cover. It was quite expensive, but it's actually worth the amount. So this is a particular old timing cover. It came with the timing chain actually went ahead to break the oil pump and also some part of the timing cover in the interior. So this is how it looks like after we have installed the timing cover. We put the water pump, the rollers, everything, all the seals and everything intact. So whenever you want to change your 2GR engine timing cover, I advise that you get a brand new one from the market. It is expensive, but it is worth it, because to replace this timing cover, you have to remove both the engine and the gear and also the auxiliary for those ones that uses the 4-wheel drive. So that will be all we'll be talking about in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be talking about the 2GR engine in general in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.